first thing we have is, okay, like, I don't even know if I can say this because I don't want this video to get demonetized. Hey everyone, Alexandra here, and I hope you guys are all having an amazing and wonderful day so far. My day has actually been pretty stinking awesome, and then lo and behold, what's to be on my doorstep but my Bijou Beauty Box. And you guys already know this is definitely one of my favorite boxes ever since I did that investigation and found out that this owner actually goes out of her way and pays full retail price for products just to get higher end name brand products in our box. I just thought that was amazing. Now, this is technically speaking a mystery box. It's a monthly mystery box. So there are definitely a bunch of different variations, but you always get your money's worth. And some of my favorite products, like this rock candy setting spray, I thought I was gonna hate this. And this has been like my go-to spray ever since I got it last month. So I'm really excited to see what I got this month. Let's see. Oh, I love it. And there's a little bat. So I'm guessing this might have been packed before Halloween, even though this is the November mystery box. So I will put all the prices and information down below, and I do have a code for you guys if you want. It is not so evil. You get 20% off, and you also get 20% off in her store. And I will tell you guys, if you do pay for shipping, if you do the 3-month or 6-month or 1 year, you only pay shipping just that one time. So I know a lot of you guys are in Canada and shipping costs are insane. So I think that's pretty awesome that you only pay shipping once if you do it that way, and you get a bigger discount. So you guys know, I'm always trying to save you guys money. All right, so there is a little card inside here, and it does list the products, and the total retail box this month is $122.99. That's insanity. So let's see what we have in here. The first thing we have is, okay, like, I don't even know if I can say this because I don't want this video to get demonetized. So I'm just gonna show it to you guys. So it's literally a mask for your booty. It's a booty mask. Oh my gosh. So you can, like, you know, make sure, you know, your booty's on fleek. It kind of, I'm not gonna lie though, looks like, it kind of smells good. It's got like a mentholatum smell to it. It's almost like, you know, that mentholatum vapor rub, that's kind of what it smells like, but it kind of looks like dog deal. I'm not gonna lie. But I am excited to try that out because, you know, I'm always trying to keep, you know, us girls, we always want to keep our booties on fleek, right? All right, so the next thing, oh wow, oh my gosh, so this was a palette that I have actually really been wanting because I have a bunch of the other ones. So this is the ColourPop It's My Pleasure Press Powder palette, and I love these little 9-pan monochromatic palettes. I just love them so much. They are so cute. And I have the blue one, I have the red one, the watermelon one, and then I have the orange one. So I don't have, oh my god, did you guys just see that? Oh my gosh, my eyeshadow literally just fell out. Oh okay, so now after having technical difficulties, I did get that eyeshadow repressed because thank God ColourPop's eyeshadows are super soft and they're very emollient, so you can repress them together. Just to let you know if this happens to you guys, but that color is a really pretty, it's Mr. Sandman. And I mean, it was super soft. So that could have happened in shipping. It could have been shipped from ColourPop that way. So I'm not gonna blame Bijou Beauty Box. I am still super happy to get that palette. And I am probably gonna use that color today. We'll see. So I'm kind of excited though to have that palette, even though that happened. All right, so the next thing we have here, it looks like a brush set. Ooh, these are really pretty brushes. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, so I gotta pull these out and show you guys because they are I mean, look at these handles. I don't know if you guys can see that, but these handles are just gorgeous. They're so pretty. I mean, this is just festive. This like says to me Christmas. I mean, it's just got like little purple and green like sparkles in there. Oh my gosh, they're so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So it looks like we have a couple eye brushes, a highlighter brush. Oh, I cannot wait to try these out. And these are from Medusa's Makeup. I actually really like Medusa's makeup brushes. I think I've received another one in Bijou Beauty Box, and I really like the way they apply products. So I'm really pretty excited about that. Like, yeah, that's super soft. That actually feels like a great blending brush. So yeah, we will try these out today and we'll see what else we got. Okay, so it looks like I have a true matte lipstick from Oh Hi Beauty. This looks like a really pretty nude. You guys know I love my nudes. Ooh, yeah, this looks really pretty. It's almost like a pink nude. Almost. See that? That is gorgeous. All right, and then last but not least, we have a House Laboratories product. So I actually wanted to buy these kits and had planned on purchasing one of them, but because of how long it took to ship out, there was like other stuff that came out. So I think this is one of the eyeshadows. Ooh, yes, please. Hello. Oh my gosh, so excited for that. So, all right, let's try on some products, you guys. Let me clear off this desk and we will get to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and test out this palette, which I know is going to be good because it's ColourPop, and like I said, I own many of these monochromatic 9-pan palettes. But while we're testing that out, we're going to go ahead and test out these Medusa makeup brushes. So the first color I'm going to get into is this color. It's called Pretty Cool, and it's like this light brown with almost like a shimmer in it. So it's not a shimmer shade, it's just like a light brown matte that has like a sparkle. So I'm just gonna apply that as my crease shade, which I wouldn't normally do, but I'm gonna do today just because I feel like doing something a little different. And again, I just kind of want to test this brush out. And I'm going to tell you guys, my eyes are stained a little purple. So instead of just using my Air All Clear eye primer, I also had to use my Bella Pierre makeup base first and then put my eye primer on over top of that because they're still stained a little purple or pink from the Shane Dawson palette. It happens. It happens when you use pressed pigments. So it's just part of the process. I actually have to say, I like this brush a lot, and I really like it because, I don't know if you guys can see how the tip is. It's very like narrow, and so it really allows you to be very specific with where you're putting the product and where you're blending your edges and stuff. So I actually really like this brush. I'm kind of surprised actually at how much I like this brush, but I like this brush a lot. So yeah, I'm just letting you guys know. All right, so the next product, and we're gonna try out this like flat shader brush. And I guess the next color we're gonna go into, I shouldn't say product, the next color we're gonna go into, ooh, let's try this Bare Minimum. That looks so pretty. I love purples like this. I just gravitate towards them. Yeah, that is so pretty. I mean, just absolutely stunning. I don't even think the camera is like really picking up. It looks like on the screen, it looks like it's coming up more pink, but it's just absolutely stunning purple. And this brush is actually really good too. I mean, really good. I'm like very impressed. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab a different flat shader brush and I'm gonna get into the shade that fell out all over my desk called Mr. Sandman. And I'm going to put that on my inner corner and like bring it over some. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so it definitely seems like that the Sandman color is really best applied with your finger, because I'm definitely getting way better payoff with my finger than I was with the brush. So just want to let you guys know that, which ColourPop shades are kind of like that sometimes. Sometimes you get really good payoff with the brush. Sometimes it's just best to use your finger. So I feel like I need like a little bit of light pink or purple or something like above my transition line. So I'm gonna grab my Medusa blending brush again, and I'm gonna get into Kitten Fish, I think is what it's called. And I'm just gonna blend that right above and like into my crease. Yeah, that's what I needed. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, so now, and don't ask me why I'm going ham, because I really don't know, but I love these 9-pan monochromatics because you just literally can get into almost like every color. So I'm gonna get now in that Chicklet, and I'm just gonna blend just a little bit of that right here on my outside corner, just to kind of deepen that up, just a pinch. So really and truthfully, I could definitely stop here, but I really want to get into one more color, and that is this Earth Shine. I mean, I feel like it's just really going to make my corner pop. And I was right. I mean, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you guys, I completely forgot about our Lady Gaga House Laboratories products. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab another clean flat shader brush, and instead of applying this directly onto my eye, I'm gonna apply it over top. Let's see how well this Lady Gaga stuff applies on top of eyeshadow. Is this gonna mess my whole look up? About to find out. All right, Lady Gaga, don't let me down. No, it actually didn't mess anything up at all. It actually went on really, 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 really well and goes with everything. And it actually even smoothed everything out, which is crazy. All right, you guys, so I have to say I'm pretty happy with this eye look, like really, really happy. And we're gonna talk about that here in just a minute, but let's try out this Ojai Beauty matte, what is this? True Matte Lip, which it looks pretty good. It looks like a pretty color. Did you guys just see that? Like, I just painted my lips and then kind of put them together, and just like, this is a very, very thin formula. It's not super drying, but it dries very quickly, but it also like disperses very quickly and evenly. And I actually really like that. It's not heavy at all. Like, it's not very heavy. I actually really, really like that. And the other thing I really like is I don't have a color like this. This is for once a color that I don't have. So I'm kind of happy with that. All right, let's talk a final review of this month's Bijou Beauty Box's mystery box. And the first product we are going to talk about is this one right here, which I'm not going to say, but I will show you again what it's called, just in case you didn't see it last time. Yeah, so obviously we couldn't try this on camera because that would definitely get me demonetized. However, I am very interested to try this out, and I cannot wait to, because I mean, come on, let's be real here. You got to keep your booty on point. You know what I'm saying? So I'm kind of excited to try this out. The next product we're going to talk about is the ColourPop It's My Pleasure 9-pan monochromatic, I cannot talk, 9-pan monochromatic eyeshadow palette, which, look, we all know is amazing. We love ColourPop. Their 9 pans are amazing. So enough said, right? Okay, let's talk about the House Laboratories. So this, I actually had to look at the sticker on the bottom, which was very, very hard to read, but this is the color Aphrodite. And I have to say, I'm really, really, really impressed with this, you guys. And especially for those of you all that have a lot of wrinkles and a lot of creasing and stuff like that, I thought for sure with this being a liquid product that it was just going to sink in everything. And it didn't. It really smoothed it out. And it has stayed that way. Like it's not like rubbed off. It hasn't like just went, it's just, I'm really impressed by this. I'm really impressed by this. And now I kind of want to pick up some more. So I might do that maybe after Christmas. But I'm really, really impressed, Lady Gaga. You put your foot in that, girl. So the next thing we'll talk about is the 4-piece brush set from Medusa's Brushes. And look, you know, we tried out 2 of the 4 brushes. These are awesome, and a lot more awesome than I actually originally thought they were gonna be. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm really impressed with this. You guys are gonna see me using this like from now on because it's awesome. And this too, I love these big flat shader brushes. I mean, they're just good for so many things, and this one did not disappoint. So impressed by that. Really impressed by the Ojai True Matte Lip. I mean, like, this box was amazing. I mean, like, Bijou Beauty is definitely stepping it up. She definitely wants to be noticed. I'm just saying, like, I'm pretty amazed, and I'm actually kind of curious to try out some other Ojai Beauty products now. I've actually seen them. I've heard their setting powder is to die for. So I might go check that out. I don't know. I'm definitely interested. They caught my attention for sure, and I'm really impressed and so very happy with everything in this month's Bijou Beauty mystery box. So that is all I have for you guys today. I love you so, so very much. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Love you. Bye.